Hello students, this is question number 12 of our exercise 15D. In this question we have given that there are two poles of 18 and 13 meter. Okay, see, this is a pole that is 18 meter and this is another pole that is 13 meter, and the distance between the feet of both, that means दिस डिस्टेंस, दोनों पोल्स के जो फीट हैं उनके बीच की जो डिस्टेंस है वो 12 मीटर है. एंड दिस वी हैव टू फाइंड, हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देयर टॉप्स. देखिए आप, ये पोल है ए बी, दूसरा पोल है सी डी, एंड इनका टॉप्स क्या है? इस पोल का टॉप ए है और इस पोल का टॉप सी है. और हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? इनके बीच की distance between the top of poles. That means we have to find AC. So how we can find? See, this is 13 and this is 12. So according to that, if this is 13, so from P to B, this also will be 13. Total is 18, but B to P is 13. Okay. अगर अब आपका ये 13 है और टोटल 18 है, तो रिमेनिंग पार्ट क्या होगा? A to P. जो A to P है वो होगा हमारा 5. दिस 13 एंड दिस इज 5, देन टोटल 18. सो सी, AP is 5 and if BD is 12, so PC is also will be same. That means PC is also 12. Okay. Now see triangle APC. In APC, PC is 12 base and AP is perpendicular 5. Now we will apply Pythagoras theorem in APC. In triangle APC, AP is 5, PC is 12, and we have to find AC. That means X. I am considering here X. The statement is h square is equal to b square plus p square. That means x square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square. So x square is equal to 144, 5 is equal to 25. X square is equal to 169. X square is equal to 13 square. Okay, 13 का square. So square will cancel with square, so this will be 13 meter. That means x is equal to 13 meter. What was the x? X was the distance between the top of two poles. This is question number 15, and there is given, there is a rectangle in which length is 16 and width is 12, and they are asking the diagonal of rectangle. So how we will solve diagonal of rectangle? So firstly draw a diagram like this for question number 15. Okay, length is 16, width is 12 meter. Now what we will do? According to this, this is 90 degree. Okay, and the side opposite to 90 degree is always hypotenuse. That means we will apply the formula of hypotenuse. H is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So you will apply h square is equal to b square plus p square. After then you will find the value of h. That will be diagonal of rectangle. Now this is question number 13. According to this question, that a person moved 35 meter to west and 12 meter then north. Okay, so firstly you have to learn about direction. Okay, how we mention direction. See here, right side we can write, not can write, it is always happen. Okay, in any page, right side you will write east, left side west, upside north, and downside south. So this is direction. So how we will solve question? There is given he moved 35 to the west. So see, in every question, in each question you will consider the starting point from O. So I am considering this starting point O here. Okay, now see, he is moving 35 to west, that means in this direction. So consider 35 west. After then he is moving 12 meter to the north, that means right this. So again I am mentioning 12 meter to the north. Now what we have to find? We have to find his starting and last point distance. That means what is the distance between the starting point and last point. That means we have to find A to C. Okay, now see here, AC is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to 12 square plus 35 square. This is 144. This is 12, 25. Now this is 1369, and 1369 is the square of 37. So you will write 37 square. Now AC is equal to 37 meter. Now question number 17. Okay, in 17th question given, diagonal of rhombus are 16 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Okay, so see, this is a rhombus and its diagonals are AB and CD. So AB I am considering 30 and CD is 16. Now we already know that our diagonals bisect each other. That means ये हमेशा एक दूसरे को टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं, जिस पॉइंट पे ये एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे. So this is intersecting point. Okay, now see, if this is 30, so this will become 15, and if this is 16, so its half will be 8. That means this is 15 and this is 8. Now we have to find side of rhombus. You can find any side. So I am taking this triangle. You can take any. Okay, I am taking BOD. So triangle BOD, BD is equal to, BD square is equal to OD plus OB. OD is 8 square and OB is 15. So 15 square. This is 64, this is 225, this is 289, BD square is equal to 17, BD is equal to, this is BD square is equal to 17 square. Square will cancel with square. So BD is equal to 17. Okay, 17.